There are a ton of different tools out there to help you create content for social media. I want to highlight just a few that are really important and that students have found super helpful when they go through and create content. The first one is going to be Facebook's Creative Hub. This is a fantastic resource for going through and creating mock-ups of your potential posts or ads. You can go in here and you can basically select all of the different types of content you can post to Facebook or Instagram. You can upload your own creative, whether it's a photo or photos or videos, right? You can add in your captions, and this will give you a realistic looking mock-up of your potential post or ad. This is fantastic for including in presentations, or of course showing your client so they can get a really good idea of what it is you're potentially wanting to post. If you have any issues using Facebook's Creative Hub, another resource you can use is Addparlor.com. This is the same sort of idea. It's not as robust as Facebook's Creative Hub, but it's a different resource you can use if you have any issues getting the one from Facebook to go through and work. The most popular tool for social media post design among students always tends to be Canva.com. It is a great tool, whether you use the website or the app for the phone or for iPad. It's really useful because you can go in and take a look at tons of pre-made templates for posts you might want to use. In many cases, you probably want to under-design what they have. A lot of them are very wordy or text-heavy, but the really valuable part of Canva is it will automatically take your photos and size them appropriately for whatever type of post you want to be creating. This makes sure that you don't have your post being cropped weirdly or looking kind of strange and odd when you post it to different social media. So take a look. I encourage you to go into Canva and try it out. There's tons of free resources there. Another tool is Adobe Spark. Some students prefer using this, and they also have apps you can go through and use as well to create really cool designs for your posts. When it comes to photo editing, there are tons of different tools you can go through and use. Photoshop, if you're familiar with that and have access to it, by all means go through and use it. There's also Photoshop Express, a lighter version as an app you can go through and use. If you prefer going through and doing photo editing on your computer, check out befunky.com. It's a great free website that's got some really cool tools you can use for free to do image editing. Another one that's similar is going to be pixlr.com. You can check out that one as well too and see if you prefer using their tools instead. While you always want to be creating your own photos and videos, there are some times when that might not be possible. Maybe you don't have enough time for a post. Maybe you just want a quick photo as a background for an event or something like that, right? If that's the case, you want to go and make sure that you're using photos that are not going to get you sued, ones that are not copyrighted or ones that are paid. So taking a look at free sites that have stock photos, ones like unsplash.com, or going through and taking a look at pexels.com, both of these sites, they've got a ton of free photos you can use in all your posts or ads and not have to worry about getting sued. So I encourage you to check those out. I hope you enjoyed learning about all these different tools. If there's others that you know of that you really find valuable, by all means leave that information in the comments below or up on our discussion board. But start playing with them, see which ones you prefer, and start ideating all the really cool types of content you're going to go through and create.